In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Olymp Trade app. So if you are experiencing problems with the app, maybe your app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix those errors and get your app running. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Alright, now there are various methods we can use to troubleshoot or fix errors on Olymp Trade app. In the first method, we need to access the app information page, and there are two ways we can achieve this. First, go to settings and then tap on it. Now from settings, look for this option called apps. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use a Redmi Note 10 smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under these apps, go ahead and look for the option called manage apps or more apps or all apps on your phone. It depends on the type or the Android version you are using. If you go ahead and tap on manage apps, this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, my app is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. And now you can see we are on the app information page. This is where we are going to do the first troubleshooting. Now, if you're getting challenges getting to this page, then let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. For this, just go and look for your app. And here's my app. And then instead of tapping on it, just go ahead and long press on it. And then look for this option called app info and then tap on it. At this point, it will still take you to the same page as before. From this, scroll down and we want to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I tap on storage here, you can see the app has a lot of cache data. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because it has accumulated a lot of cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that the app normally stores to enhance user experience. Now, the problem is the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To clear this, go ahead and tap on clear data down here. And if I tap on it, you can see we have two options, clear all data and clear cache. Go ahead and tap on clear cache and then okay. And this will wipe out all the cache data that was on our app, and you can see it is 0. At this point now, restart your smartphone and then try opening your app and it should now start working fine. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then go ahead and clear all data by tapping on clear data and then okay. And then go ahead and open your app and it should now have fixed all the problems. However, if these methods didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method to fix any issues related to your app. For this, you need to access the app through Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone. And if you are on iPhone, you'll need to access it through App Store. So I'll go to Play Store and then look for Olymp Trade app. And as you can see, my app is here. From here, go ahead and look for any update. If it is available, you'll see it here. And then update the app to the latest version to fix all the bugs and also to fix any security issues related to the older version of your app. At this point now, proceed and open your app and it should now start working well. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.